Elgato Stream Deck Neo, 8 customizable keys to touch points, speed through tasks and workflows, control Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Zoom, Spotify and more. Drag, undrop setup, works with Mac and PC. Style, Steam Deck Neo. Brand Elgato. Connectivity technology USB. Connector type USB-C. Special feature programmable keys. Supported internet services Spotify. Controller type button control. Form factor TV box. Color white. Model name Elgato Stream Deck Neo. Item weight 7.36 ounces. Enhanced efficiency. Customize and automate tasks with 8 shortcut keys tailored to fit your workflows, making repetitive daily routines fast and fun. Effortless control. Drag and drop actions for easy setup and manage your favorite tools even when off-screen with the free Stream Deck app. Compatible with your apps. Seamlessly integrate with essential apps including Zoom, Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Google Suite, MS Office, Photoshop, Adobe Creative Apps, Spotify, Music, and many more. Seamless smart control. Effortlessly manage your ecosystems with a single button to control smart lights, plugs, audio, and more. Or use Stream Deck Neo to control other Neo products. The choice is yours. Eco-friendly commitment. The Neo line was crafted sustainably and is packaged with zero plastic, embodying our dedication to environmental sustainability. Great workflows made easy. Meet Stream Deck Neo, an 8-key controller that makes everyday tasks fast and fun. It automates the little repetitive stuff, like pasting text or browsing folders, so you can focus on bigger things. Customize your keys, connect apps like Spotify or Teams, and get more done with less grind. Tech specs dimensions: WDH 107 by 26 by 78 mm for 0.2 x 1.0 x 3.1 in weight. 210G. Point for 6 pounds keys, 8x customizable LCD keys, customizable infobar touch sensors, 2x touch points. System requirements: Windows 10 64-bit or later, Mac OS Monterey 12 or later, USB 2.